We're gonna buy a ticket here. This is where you buy the ticket to go to the wall. We're gonna have a walking tour. It's 250 for adults. Here's where we buy the tickets. Wow, going up. Oh my god, that's tiring. We came from there. It's really high. We had a little rest in the middle, and it's really high. To come here, you have to train before you come here. Then you're gonna have energy. So it's tiring. We're just taking a little break. And there's a guide here, but they ran out of English, so this is Croatian. It's almost done na. And this one, that one. This is the view from here, and this is not yet the highest part of the wall. You see over there, it's even higher than here. See, I see the cable over there. There it is. This is outside the wall already. We're gonna go up there to get the best view. Be careful. This is the town outside the wall. You have the bus there, taxi. That's the life outside the wall. I guess it's a little bit cheaper outside the wall. Also nice. Look at the houses. And the view there is so amazing. Oh, it's so small.
Maybe small people used to live before.
Oh, even smaller for you.
Wow, the view is good. Unbelievable.
And other side is Italy, huh?
Walking a while, it's really amazing. It's an amazing experience, going from different levels, a lot of steps. I don't feel tired anymore. because you get to rest in some areas where it's flat. This is a better place to take a break actually. Now we're actually going down. I feel it. Although there are no steps here, but it's going down.
Oh, the crows.
Oh, they're not as bad.
What? Yeah.
The ground.
Oh, he
That's a cruise ship over there.
falls all the time.
Gonna zoom that
But
one.
that's their love.
That's why a lot of tourists are around because of the cruise ship. There's a restaurant over there. See there?
Too late. Too late.
Look how they make the roof.
They
The construction.
put new ones down.
Is it
and
like
still-
clay or something? What is that? It's natural, right?
It's clay. That's what they used way
think
back
so.
in the day.
It is clay.
It's old, nice, you know, touch.
Oh, that's why they preserve this part. So
Preserve,
it's-
Yeah. But this one is new. This one is old.
It's moldy too.
Adriatic or Adrian?
Adriatic Sea.
You know what I like about
We're just taking a break. Change outfit. Because it's really hot.
That's my room.
That's where we live. Oh, that's your room. That's our place. That's our place. Very nice. It's easy to find. Right at the gate. We're under the gate actually. Our Airbnb. Just look at the traffic outside. Buja, I think that's how you pronounce. And parking is so hard here. Everyone's coming here. Look at that. Up to there. So if you come here with a car, good luck. We're going to the Mincheta Tower. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. So this is the end of it. I'm so tired. We started from there. The Pili Gate or Pile, and we're ending here. This is the corner, the Mincheta Tower. This is also a location for the Game of Thrones. Was filmed here as well.
I'm gonna post that video and then put emoji dragon.
Now we're going up. You see everything from here.
It's not choice. Look some of those. You think about Jesus.
They have a basketball court here. This is called basketball court in the castle. They have a basketball court. Look at that.
Oh, look, another dog.